Hi there, my name is Aoife and I'm a strategic services consultant here at Sprout Social. And I'm excited to walk you through the native ad story workflow in this Sprout Bites video. This is a game changer to get content live quickly without needing full access to Sprout. So without further ado, let's get into it. Once I've logged into Sprout Social Employee Advocacy, I can see a green button in the top right hand corner. I click Add Story. Once I click Add Story, I'm met with a new window where I can add a link, I can add a photo, I can also upload a video or create an original post. The most common way to add a story to employee advocacy is through a link. So I'm going to copy paste one from earlier and click Next. Once I've clicked Next, I'm met with a new window and it's going to generate a preview of how that article is going to look along with the image. I can also change the image and upload a new thumbnail if I want a different one. I can also then move on to the channels that I want our advocates to share on. Today I'm going to select LinkedIn and I'm going to deselect X and Facebook. Next, I move on to my message ideas. Today I'm strapped for time, so I'm going to use AI, this nifty button here, to create a message idea. Once I click Generate by AI Assist, it's going to give me different options. I feel like the second one is my favorite. So once I'm happy with that, I click and I select Add Selected. Once I'm happy with the message idea, I then scroll down to set the date. I'm going to select today's date, but I could also select next month, next week, whatever suits. I then select my end date. I'm going to go with the end of April. And then I select my topics. Always ensure that you include your topics so your advocates can find it in the topics that they are following. I'm also going to select a tag so I can report on how these are performing based on the tags that I tag them with. Once I've done that, I have one last look, and then on the bottom right, I click Save as Draft if I want to come back to it later, or I click Add Story for it to go live on the date that I've selected. Once I click Add Story, it's going to bring up a preview of how it looks for your advocates when it goes live. And that's it. You're ready to keep your advocates engaged with a steady stream of content. Give this workflow a try next time you have a story that needs to be heard. Thanks for watching.